Alright, here I am. This is Lake Pleasant. It's actually, I'm gonna test this out, see how he does. So the first time I'm gonna put it in the water. Hopefully it floats. It floats in very skinny water. It's probably like 2 inches, 1 inch deep. Wow. That's a good thing about the flat bottom. And there's no water at all, which is pretty nice. I like that this thing's going. Literally like, wow, this is gonna be nice for fishing. It's gonna be super cool. Literally floats on nothing of water. So you can see it filled. Right here. It's actually pretty nice boat. I like it. I'm comfortable with it. It's pretty stable. I think that trolling motor is gonna be really fast. I think it's gonna be faster than the outboard. I'll see. Let's see what happens. I see some fish jumping right now, so I'm gonna try to see if I can get something. Alright, peace out. Actually moving to the trolling motor. Actually, this thing can go really fast if you really want to. Like, check this out. Now when I'm speed 2. This thing's really moving. So I have an extension for this thing, so I can just move it here. It's too annoying. You kind of going like this, slowing down, and right, I'm gonna start fishing here. See how it goes. Water, we got 20 feet, 72. The water temperature, so hopefully you see the reflection of the sky. This is how nice the water is. It's just beautiful. Turn to the other boat. It's nice to have a big boat. It's really nice. You can do a lot of things with it, but actually it's really uncomfortable to fish unless you got a bass boat. But with this little rig right here, you can actually, like, I can explain it, go anywhere pretty much you want. You can go to the other side of the lake if you want. I would need a bigger motor than that. I would not risk a Chinese motor with this, like going to the other side, but like a brand new motor, 6 horsepower, 8. It's gonna do excellent with this boat. It's really light. Actually, I'm impressed with how stable it is and light. And I miss a big boat, but this is just like beautiful, man. I mean, I'm really close to the water, as you guys can see. It's just the water is just right here. See, and that's pretty much it, man. It's right now I'm at 30 feet deep. I can still go behind the mountains, the little islands and stuff like that, but I just wanted to try it first. It's the first time on this boat. I don't want to take it too far out. And the good thing is, with the trolling motor on speed number 1, the battery lasts 12 hours supposedly. Let's say 9 tops, but it's a brand new battery, so I can pretty much go anywhere around this area. So I'm gonna try fishing here before it gets darker and enjoy the moment. Peace out. Chinese motor does the job though. For today. That's the boat. It's time to get it out. I can say overall the boat is perfect for fishing, but the motor is not that great because it kind of like overheats and starts kind of like sputtering a little bit, and that's the only bad part.